You're watching Cairo 7 News.
The number of DUIs is dropping across King County. Hello, everyone. I'm Monique Minglavin.
I'm Steve RAIBLE, and some say it's because bar-hopping millennials are using rideshare services like Uber and Lyft instead of driving drunk. Cairo 7's Deborah Horne is live in Seattle. Debbie, the numbers from the Seattle Municipal Court, they're not all that dramatic.
But they are down, Steve. In fact, drunk driving cases in the Seattle Municipal Court in 2015, there were 8 fewer of them than in 2014. And some DUI attorneys are telling me it's cutting into their business. It took us just a few minutes at the Stout Bar on Seattle's Capitol Hill to find someone who fits the demographic.
I'm 30. I like to go out. I like to drink. But I never drink and drive now.
Simon Perriman says he and his friends just book a ride-sharing service.
You have an Uber where you can just pick up your phone. The Uber drivers always optimize their time so they're out right at 2 o'clock when things end. There's no reason to not get an Uber anymore.
And Uber admits that's part of its business model.
We've done a ton of partnerships locally and nationally with Mothers Against Drunk Driving, locally with the Pierce County DUI Task Force and a Washington State Commission in order to encourage the use of our platform after you've had a few drinks.
But the most dramatic drop in DUIs may actually be happening here on the east side. Taxis were never especially plentiful over here, and now rideshare companies led by Uber are filling that void.
I think Uber's played a major part in the reduction of DUIs. They're down about 25% over the past 3 years.
Incredibly, Bellevue defense lawyer TYMCZYSZYN says he has been encouraging would-be clients to call for a ride rather than drive drunk.
I drive on the same roads as everybody else, and if people want to use Uber as a cheap alternative to get around when they're using alcohol, I think that's great.
And it is a lot cheaper. He says a DUI prosecution, even when no one has been injured, can cost $10,000. But don't cry just yet for DUI attorneys. He says the number of drivers impaired on marijuana is up, way up. Reporting live in Seattle, Deborah Horne, Cairo 7 News.